SAS Interview Questions and Answers in 2024. SAS is a well-known data analytics tool in the market. SAS is comparable to other leading tools like R and Python.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
When it comes to processing large amounts of data and supporting parallel calculations. Globally, SAS is a market leader in corporate data analytics jobs. In India, SAS controls about 70% of the data analytics market share compared to 15% for R. If you want to step into data analytics, now is an opportune time to start with SAS certification training. It covers basic, intermediate, and advanced concepts of SAS, including topics such as data input, data manipulation, reporting, SQL queries, and SAS macros.
This guide includes questions ranging from simple theoretical concepts to tricky interview questions generally asked in interviews for fresher and experienced SAS programmers. Let's proceed to some of the most important SAS interview questions and answers that can be asked in your SAS interview. Top 60 SAS interview questions and answers in 2024. 1. What is the fundamental construction of the SAS base program? The fundamental design of SAS comprises data step, recovers and manipulates data. Proc step, interprets and analyzes the data. 2. What is the essential syntax style in SAS? To run the program effectively, you must follow these essential elements: a semicolon, winking smiley at the end of each line, a data statement that defines your dataset, an input statement for reading data, at least one space between each word or statement, a run statement to execute the code. Example: SAS. Copy code. Data maidta. In file, h://stathw/ your filename dot. Dat. Input var 1 var 2 var 3. Run. 3. Explain the data step in SAS. The data step creates a SAS dataset, which includes the data along with a data dictionary. The data dictionary holds information about the variables and their attributes. 4. What is PDV, Program Data Vector? The Program Data Vector, PDV, is a logical area in memory where SAS builds a dataset one observation at a time. During compilation, SAS creates a data buffer, which holds a record from an external file and then creates the PDV. 5. What are the data types in a SAS dataset? SAS datasets contain two data types: numeric, character. 6. Which statement does not perform automatic conversions in comparisons? In a SAS dataset, the where statement doesn't perform automatic conversions in comparisons. 7. What is the use of the proc summary function? The proc summary procedure calculates descriptive statistics on numeric variables in a SAS dataset. The syntax is similar to proc means. 8. What does proc GLM do? Proc GLM, General Linear Model, performs simple and multiple regression, analysis of variance, ANOVA, analysis of covariance, multivariate analysis of variance, and repeated measures analysis of variance. 9. Name types of classes in which SAS informats are set. SAS informats are set in 3 classes. Character informats, $INFORMATW. Numeric informats, INFORMATW. D. Date time informats, INFORMATW. 10. What does the cats function do? The cats function concatenates character strings, removes leading and trailing spaces, and inserts separators. 11. What is the use of proc gplot? Proc gplot creates more detailed and colorful graphical outputs compared to other plotting procedures like proc plot. 12. What is proc in SAS? In SAS, proc steps, procedures, analyze and process data in a SAS dataset. They control routines that perform tasks like sorting, summarizing, and listing. 13. What is a SAS dataset? A SAS dataset consists of two parts. Descriptor portion contains metadata about the dataset. Data portion contains the actual data values. 14. List out some key concepts of SAS. Some key concepts in SAS include sort procedure, missing values, keep is equal to, drop is equal to dataset options, data step logic, retain statement, log, format procedure for creating value formats, data types, in is equal to dataset option. 15. What is factor analysis? Factor analysis is a statistical technique used to reduce a large number of observed variables into fewer latent variables, which can explain the patterns of correlations within the observed data. 16. How does SAS treat the DST delimiters? When you define DST, delimited data, SAS treats two consecutive delimiters as a missing value and removes quotes from character values. 17. What are good SAS programming practices for processing large datasets? Good SAS programming practices for processing large datasets include sorting the data once, using firstobs is equal to and OBS is equal to options to process only a portion of the dataset. 18. How to include or exclude specific variables in a SAS dataset. To include or exclude specific variables in a dataset, use the drop and keep statements or dataset options. 19. How does the subster function work in SAS? The subster function extracts a substring from a character variable. 20. What SAS features do you use to check errors and data validation? To check errors, use the log. For data validation, use procedures like procfreq, procmeans, or procprint to inspect the data.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.